Hello friends, welcome to another episode of Commentary Screen Reader by Accessible Computing. Accessible Computing, access to technology with accessibility. Hi, this is your tech assistant Ratul. In this video, we're going to discuss about how you can customize your gestures by using Commentary Screen Reader. So if you want to use custom gestures in your talkback, it's very easy. So now similarly, you can also do the same in your Gesture Plus. So I'm using Samsung mobile phone with Gesture Plus. So though I'm not using the latest version, but in the latest version you will get all the things which I am going to discuss today. So without any delay, let's start. Do like, share, subscribe for more videos, and if you want to connect us, you can join our Telegram channel for more updates. The link is given in the video description below. So I'm opening Gesture Plus.
Gesture Plus.
So with Gesture I'm using Eloquence. So I'm swiping from left right.
Gesture Plus 2 0 email 9 1 general settings.
General settings, which we have already discussed. If you haven't watched this video, just go to our playlist and you can watch that video.
2 TTS settings.
TTS settings.
3 feedback settings.
Feedback settings. It's very similar. You can explore on your own.
4 operation settings.
Operation settings.
5 reading settings.
So
4 operation settings.
We need to go to operation settings to
operation
customize the
settings.
gesture.
Navigate up button. Operation settings.
Operation settings.
1 gesture scheme custom.
Gesture scheme custom. So I have already selected some custom gesture scheme. So now I'm swiping from left right to see what are the other options here.
2 custom gesture scheme settings.
Okay, so custom gesture scheme settings, which means the custom gesture scheme which I have selected right now is that settings. Okay, that current gestures, because in Commentary Screen Reader you can create multiple multiple gestures custom schemes for your usage. Suppose for example you can create a custom, you can create custom 1, custom 2 with the name. After that, for example, you can use custom 1 for certain period of time. After that, custom 2, custom 3, whatever you want you can use. So this is the options. So if you need, then I can definitely make another video on it.
1 gesture scheme custom.
So
2 custom gesture scheme
settings. So from here you can set your custom gestures on your currently selected gesture schemes. So I'm double tapping on
custom. Close button. Custom. Save button. Show more options. 1 up gesture default.
So 1 up gestures default.
2 down gesture default.
2 down gestures default.
3 swipe left default.
Swipe left default.
4 swipe right default.
Swipe right default.
5 left and right gesture default. 4 3 2 down 1 up gesture default.
So let's see 1 up gestures default.
Up gesture. 1 default checked.
1 default.
2 no command. 3 plugin. 4 custom voice commands unchecked.
Custom voice
5 tools unchecked.
Tools.
6 application unchecked.
So applications and
7 function unchecked.
So you have to choose function. After that you can choose whatever function we want on this gesture. So I'm double tapping on function.
Check function. 1 select navigation. 2 previous element type.
Previous element type.
3 next element type.
Next element type. So I'm just giving swipe up is
2
previous
custom.
element type.
2 down gesture default. 1 up gesture function / previous element type.
So 1 then
2 down gesture default.
down gestures. I'm selecting
1 2 3 plugins unchecked. 4 custom voice commands 5 tools unchecked. 6 7 function unchecked.
Function. So I need to select function.
2 previous 3 next element type.
Next element type.
Custom.
Yeah. So I've chosen next element type.
3 swipe left default.
Swipe left default.
4 swipe right default.
Swipe right default.
5 left and right gesture default.
5 left and right gestures default. So let's see.
Left and right 1 default checked. 2 3 4 5 tools on 6 applet 7 function on
So I'm going to function.
2 3 next step 4 previous element of the 5 next element of the specified type. 6 monitor the currently focused element. 7 focus monitor quick clicking mode.
Quick clicking mode.
9 previous focusable element. 10 next focusable element. 11 to top.
11
12 to end.
12 to end.
13 left shortcut.
Left shortcut.
14 right shortcut. 15 scroll up.
Scroll up. So I'm just choosing scroll
Custom.
up.
6 right and left. 5 left and right gesture function / scroll up. 6 right and left gesture default.
So right and left and scroll down.
2 3 4 custom voice commands unchecked. 5 tools unchecked. 6 application, 7 function, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 next focus, 11, 12, 13, 14 right shortcut, 15 scroll up, 16 scroll down.
Scroll down.
Custom.
So I'm choosing scroll down.
7 up and down gesture default.
Up and down gestures.
8 down and up gesture default.
Down and up gestures.
9 left and up gesture default.
Left and up. So you can choose whatever you want based on your choice. So if you select application, then if you select any app, for example,
10 left and down gesture 9 left and 10, 11 right and up gesture default.
Right and up gestures,
Right,
I'm just
right and
selecting
1 default, 2 left, 3 blue, 4 custom voice, 5 tools unchecked, 6 application
application.
unchecked. Application.
All the applications are open. So if I select any application of this, then if I apply that gestures, if I use that gestures to open the application. So this is very interesting in commentary screen reader. If you want, you can try this and you can let me know in the comment section. So I'm
12 right and down, 13 up, 12, 11 right and
so
up.
for example, now I want to save this.
More options, but share button, save
So
button.
I'm saving.
New notification from G2O Plus saved.
G2O Plus saved. So everything is saved now. Now let me show you it's working or
Operation
not.
settings. G2O Plus. And download addition. Labels.
Labels,
Buttons.
buttons,
Text boxes.
text boxes,
Images.
images,
Check boxes.
check boxes. I'm
Progress bars. Lists.
list,
List item. Focusable elements.
focusable elements,
Clickable elements. Nodes. Scrolling mode. Vertical navigation. Characters. Words. 11 cloud. And download additional resources. Lines. Words. Slide. Headings.
So reading navigation is another thing which we will be discussing in any other video. So I'm just scrolling.
List items from. List items.
So I'm just back. Yes. So for example, I'm just
Play Store.
scrolling.
Where the home screen. Page 2 of 3.
Yes, it's scrolling very well. So this is how you can custom your gestures in commentary screen reader. If you like this type of videos, don't forget to press the like button and share your important opinion into the comment section. And also if you want to connect us, you can join our WhatsApp group. And don't forget to visit our official website, which is accessiblecomputing.blogspot.com. Do not use www. Thank you for watching this video. See you soon. Till then, stay safe. Take care. Goodbye.